Noah's Toy Review.
Now, what do you have for tonight?
Some Monster High.
It's a Monster High. High?
Yes.
Alright, let's go and open it.
You want
4 of them for Monster High. We have the pink, yellow, purple, and blue.
This is so like Halloween, my lovey.
This one, and there's a key on the side, baby.
It says search for clues.
Wow, search for clues. And Anna is going to open now the casket using the blue key. Is it open? Alright. Oh, wow! There you go, Anna. So Anna successfully opened the 2 caskets using the blue key. What do you have now, Anna? Beep, 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 beep. What is that?
The instructions.
The instructions. What does it say, Anna?
There's a door to open the gate. Follow these instructions.
Follow these instructions. So that's how you do it. Oh. And Anna is
Take
opening
it out.
Alright. Got the first surprise. And what's inside, baby?
The second surprise.
So we take them all out. Okay. And these are the things. Those are accessories, huh? And we get another one from here. There you go. What is that, Anna? Another accessory.
Is there a doll?
There is. But those are accessories first. I think so. Alright. Now taking the doll from the casket. There is the doll. Alright. What's her name, my love?
Cleo.
Cleo. Is that Cleopatra? And Anna got Cleo.
I have Cleo Denal.
Cleo Dinal?
Yes.
Cleo Dinal? Wow, she's so pretty, my love. Cleo is so pretty, my love. Look at her. Can you show me, my lovey? Show me, Cleo. Wow, look at that.
It's a doll hair.
Sure. And this is Cleo's casket, and that's the Monster High. This is Cleo's gym. And Anna is going to set up another Cleo's outfit, huh?
Hey, what should I do with this?
Which one? You see?
I want to put the headphones on.
Okay.
Hey, can you help me put this on?
Okay. So we now have... Wow. Isn't she pretty, my lovey?
Yes.
Okay, let's change her style. How many styles can you make for her, my love? Around 20? Wow. You can change her clothes again?
Can you help me take off the skirt?
Okay. This first look for Cleo. You can also
I
pull down
forgot.
the mask. Look, and Anna wants to change to another one. It's putting another set of accessory for Cleo.
Help me.
Oh, new boots for her, baby. All right.
The hair.
Comb her hair. Maybe you should comb your hair too, Anna. Another one. Another outfit for Cleo. This is her 3rd outfit. Look at that. Let's combing her hair.
Let's have
Her
a look.
long, shiny hair. She has the stencils, my love, huh? Look.
Oh, I can see his ear.
Yeah, her ears.
The dress to impress the rock.
Wow, that is so beautiful.
We're doing the dress to impress the rock.
All right.
Okay, bye.
All right.
Can,